We are looking at gold analysis for this week, 23rd to 27th of September 2024. So far we have seen the market, which is gold market, having a all-time high around 2625.21. Okay, so plus or minus 2625. Okay, that is the all-time high of gold so far. And I want us to take note of what is happening initially. Okay, you guys can attest to the fact that I wanted this place to be a sell zone. Okay, but the reason why I asked you to wait, okay, is because this candle momentum, okay, break the zone. Okay, so after breaking the zone, I was expecting a retest and then target all the way to 2625 or plus or minus 2640. So these are the areas I was actually working around. Okay, now going forward, this is what I am anticipating is going to happen. I'm anticipating two things around this place. Okay, I'm anticipating around 2630. Okay, all the way to this point, and then 2640 all the way to this point, which is 2000. So I'm looking at 2630 to 2600, or 2640 to 2600. Okay, but if we are to work on a major, this is 1 hour time frame. Okay, so if we are to work on the major zones, it means that we are working with this is the resistance area. We are looking at resistance zone. Okay, so we can use this area, and then we will use, I am going to use 2540. Okay, let me bring it down to the week. So 2000. Okay, so 2545. Let's work with that figure. So 2000. So that is the support area. Okay, or if I want, we can decide to work with this particular one, which is 30. But let's work with this one, 2545. 2545. Okay, so this is what we are working with. And then 2000 sorry, 2530. These are the zone I am going to work with, which is the support areas I'm going to play around with. And then the next one is going to be 2640 and 2630. Yeah, so these are the resistance areas I am going to work with, and these are the support areas I am going to work with. Okay, so let's just take note of this. So this is our support area. Okay, so support zone. So let's work with these figures, and then with the resistance we work with these ones. Okay, so this is what we are working with, this one and this one as the resistance area. But if the market should come down, okay, of course we will be having, okay, let me do it this way so that you guys will appreciate it the more. So if it is going to come down, it is going to react somewhere here first. Okay, it will react somewhere here first to retest if this 2630 to be the resistance area. It will come to this area, okay, retest and then go back to create another or make another touches here. Okay, so let's take note of that. Okay, so areas that the market is likely to reverse is what I'm trying to indicate for you guys to appreciate. Okay, yeah, a minute. So if it is here, then we are going to have all these touches, right? So let's take note, but this is the figures I want you guys to take note of in the following this particular week, okay, which is 23rd to 27th September. Okay, yes, we should expect the market to have a reverse down to 2545. Okay, so let's take note of that. Yeah, let me check something. So I'm expecting some form of touches. Okay, I'm expecting a couple of touches within this resistance line or area, okay, before coming down, right? So let's take note of that, and then we are going to appreciate what is going to happen. Okay, if it is go to 2640, then it means that we are expecting it to come and touch this place. Do you understand? But I still want to you guys to take note that this place is more likely to happen, okay, which is 2545 or 2530. These are the areas. All these zones are more or less like a retest areas. Okay, they are retest areas, so just take note of them. Okay, yes, they are all retest areas. Okay, so kindly take note of that. Now let's go to the XY. The reason why I'm saying that 2530, okay, in the previous chart formation, we realized that this 2530 to 2540 was the strong resistance area or zone. Okay, so plus or minus, the market would want to definitely come there, okay, before, if it want to continue, it will continue this particular zone 2530. So we are working with the resistance 2630, 2640, and then the support is going to be 2545, 2530 as our support. Okay, now let's check something on the XY. With the XY, this is what is happening so far on a 1 hour time frame. We realize that the market is finding it difficult to break this particular zone, right? Yes, so it has made numerous touches on this support line, right? And obviously you can tell that anytime at all the market want to create some kind of reversal, was how do we call it, a downtrend for a couple of weeks now. Okay, yes, so that was a downtrend, but anytime at all the market want to change direction, okay, it want to create something like this. Sometimes W pattern, okay, something like this. Okay, so numerous of this one suggest that the market is more or less or likely to return back to upward direction. Do you understand? So that is why so if the XY is going to go up for some time, okay, and I'm targeting this area, the reason for which I'm trying to target this area, I mean this particular one, let me minimize it, let me go to 4-hour time frame. Okay, good, because of the touches. Okay, so we have some touches there at a higher time frame, 4-hour time frame. Okay, so there was a breakout. So after the breakout, okay, the market has come to make some more or less like W pattern over here. Okay, so we are expecting it to, if nothing at all, we target this area. Okay, yes, it can be this. So I'm looking forward for this area. Nevertheless, we can also this is a resistance area too as well. So it is this point or that point, or we can also look at this from this perspective. So let's take note of what I am trying to share with you, so that you guys will get some kind of profit. So we should target it this way and target in this area. So this is what is happening. So this week, please let's work around this. Let me go this 4-hour time frame. Let's go back. You will see that it makes sense. Okay, if I should extend it, I should extend. It really makes sense over here. So you can see that it is. So this is more or less like a fake out kind of. Okay, so this zone is a legit zone. Okay, yes, is a legit zone. Okay, yes, very legit. So we are going to work with this one. And this is for the XY, right? Yeah. So if that is what is going to happen, it's going to affect Euro USD, it's going to affect GBP USD as well. Okay. So guys, let's take note of that, and we will profit from the market. Okay. Let's take note of this, especially with the gold. Let's take note of the figures I've given, so that we will make substantial profit from the market. Okay, let's work with this information, and then we are going to do well, right? So take note of these figures. Let's all take note of these figures. Very, very necessary. Very, very necessary. So this is the resistance zone, and then this is the support area, right? I think this one we have already enjoyed it already, which is buy from where I indicated it somewhere. Have I deleted it? Okay, so I wrote if the market breaks above 2,571, buy to 2,600, and it happens. So as it stands now, we are expecting the market to reverse to 2,600, okay, as the support area. Okay, if it breaks below that, then we are looking forward for 2,545, 2,530. So let's take note of that. So for those who want to swing, I mean, you can swing it from that perspective. Okay, if maybe the market pushes up a little bit, you enter with a reasonable lot size, and then you leave it for a very long time. Okay, and target your TP should be 2,545. Makes sense. and make sure that when you are in profit you set B so that you can protect your account. Okay, is so much of important. Okay, good. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, ensure that you do that, and then join my Telegram community so that you can also benefit from free signals as well. Okay, if you want exclusive information, then you join the paid group and then we move it. It will interest you to note that it's not that expensive. In case you are thinking this guy's signals is very expensive, for your information, it's $15 per month. That is it. Do you understand? So if you want to be part of something massive, you want to be part of something that is working, something that is of informative, come on, you can subscribe and let me know, or you can send me a message. On this note, I'll call it bye, and I'll call it a day. Thank you so much, and let's take note of certain challenges that forex industry brings on board. Okay, yes, take risk, but it should be calculated risk, and use reasonable lot size so that you wouldn't be found wanting. Okay, so thank you so much and have a